G20. The Group of 20, G20, is the premier forum for international economic cooperation. It plays an important role in shaping and strengthening global architecture and governance on all major international economic issues. India holds the presidency of the G20 from the 1st of December 2022 to the 30th of November 2023. 1999. Inception of G20. The G20 was founded in 1999 after the Asian financial crisis as a forum for the finance ministers and central bank governors to discuss global economic and financial issues. 2008. Elevation to leaders level. The G20 was upgraded to the level of heads of state, government in the wake of the global economic and financial crisis of 2007, and, in 2009, was designated the premier forum for international economic cooperation. The G20 summit is held annually, under the leadership of a rotating presidency. The G20 initially focused largely on broad macroeconomic issues, but it has since expanded its agenda to inter alia include trade, sustainable development, health, agriculture, energy, environment, climate change, and anti-corruption. The G20 presidency is responsible for bringing together the G20 agenda in consultation with other members and in response to developments in the global economy.